This is a brand new 2013 Honda Pilot. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a locking rear differential, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a rear-view camera, XM satellite radio, 18-inch alloy wheels, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, variable cylinder management, a passenger side vanity mirror, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.